gonna battle each other. Hiya!
All right, so we just made it here. Where are we?
Charleston, South Carolina.
What are we doing here?
We're playing at the park.
You came to South Carolina to play at the park. What else are we doing in South Carolina?
We're going on a cruise
To
the
where?
to the Bahamas.
Ooh, that's gonna be fun.
Everybody can always be cool and fancy.
Surprise.
Oh, it's in there.
Surprise in the corner. Found it. Bam, show me. Show me, kid. Did you find?
Oh.
Quiet.
Get one.
Go.
Ready, people?
We're ready.
Rah! It's gonna be ultimate. Rah!
Here, waiting to go on the Dolphin adventure. One mad kid, one bored kid, one cold mama, and one kid playing over there. See how long we can last. Where are we going? Where? To do what? Swim with what?
Dolphin. Dance and do a hug. I'm scared. I know, I'm feeling scared.
He's silly. Beach bums. So we're just swimming in the lagoon. Next thing you know, it's raining. I'm trying to snorkel with the baby snorkel. No big. Can't snorkel no more. We're gonna go check out the sharks. Now it's kind of sunny again, a little bit windy. No big. Might swim in the ocean. We'll see. We're in the cave.
Okay.
Spooky! I'm just here doing dad things to embarrass him. No big. Hey Kai, how was it?
It was awesome!
Am I embarrassing you right now?
No.
Good. You having fun? Last day here on the cruise. It's a sea day, a little bit cloudy, but the weather's not too bad. The kids are enjoying the water park. We're having a blast.
I'm big one.
What are you doing this morning?
Eating green eggs and ham.
Oh, you just said it. You're gonna eat green eggs and ham.
I'm not.
You will.
I won't. What's this? It's yogurt.
What do we think of thing one, thing two?
They're fuzzy. Look. What's Oh yeah, I'm too strong and you guys are not, and I'm fast. I'll show you why. I'll show you how fast. I'll show you proof. Watch this, everybody.
Did we go long enough?
Yeah.
Is 5 days too much?
No,
Too little?
it's perfect.
Perfect. Tight cabin with the kiddos?
Not bad.
About 7 in the morning, back on mainland. See you next time, Carnival.
We don't.
How was the trip, girls?
Good!
Where are we going now?
We're going to a hotel, then going home.
Charleston, South Carolina. We're on the side of the interstate I-95, South Carolina, North Carolina border. Giant sombrero back here. Super weird spot. If you know where this is at, hit it in the comments down below. South of the border. Definitely a weird spot. With a bunch of crazy stuff at it. It's kind of cool. We at the rest stop here. North Carolina. She loves it. All right, final stretch home today. We'll do it normal. Final stretch home, Kai? No. Okay. North Carolina. And Virginia, not Virginia. Is that better? She's ready to go home. Baltimore, Maryland. And they have cruise ships here. We couldn't cruise out of Baltimore. Too close. Delaware, New Jersey. Or is it Jersey? She's tired of it. New York City! Welcome to New York. Connecticut! We're almost there. Almost there. Massachusetts. I don't know. Just for a few minutes. Woo. New Hampshire. We are back. Come on, pup! Come on, pup! Back that butt out. Get out. Come on. Woo! Ryan. So nice to be back home. About to grill some steak. Enjoy the rest of the night. I appreciate you guys watching. If you drop down, hit a like button and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.